pirates, yes, they robbed I and sold me to the merchant ship. Minutes after they took me from the bottomless pit, my hands were made strong by the hand of the Almighty, and we forwarded this generation triumphantly. Oh, help me sing these songs of freedom, 'cause all I ever hear is redemption song. Street. Oh, it seems like a losing battle. There can never be no retreat. Too many generations live their longing for the young, but we will stand triumphant when redemption's day is done. Oh, help me sing these beautiful songs of freedom, 'cause all I ever hear is redemption song. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We have got to fulfill the book, I mean. So, help me sing these beautiful songs of freedom, 'cause all I ever hear is redemption songs, these songs of freedom. Songs of freedom. All I wanna hear is redemption song. May Jehovah hear my song.